Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's math video is going to be a quick introduction to absolute value. So absolute value is a thing in math, and it's defined as how far a number is from zero. What do we mean how far? We mean what's the distance? So let's say you have a number line here. Let's say in the middle is 0. And you want to say, how far is the number 2 from 0? Well, it's pretty obvious. It's a distance of 2 away. So the absolute value of 2 is 2. How can we notate this? Absolute value is notated like this. We put the number, in our example 2, and we put 2 long lines around it like this. Absolute value of 2 is 2. So you might be thinking, okay, that's just common sense. Absolute value of 3 is 3, absolute value of 5 is 5, because they're that much distance away from 0. What's the absolute value of 0? That would be 0, because it's 0 distance away. It's right there. Right? Think about it. If it's 0 right here, there's no distance. So what's the absolute value of a negative number? Well, let's look at it this way. So we have 0 here, and we have negative 3. How much of a distance is between negative 3 and 0? How many units? Say we subdivide it here. Well, there's 1, 2, 3 units of distance. So the absolute value of negative 3 is just 3. Now you can probably see a pattern here. That makes sense, right? So absolute value negative 4, it's 4 units away. So absolute value negative 4 is 4. So, okay, at this point you're just thinking, okay, if it's positive, the absolute value is positive, and if it's negative, the absolute value is just a positive version of the negative number. And that is correct, but it's not really the proper way to think about it. Think about it like this. Absolute value of x equals, and we're going to draw a bracket here. X, comma. So the comma basically means if, or for. So, we're 4. For x is greater than or equal to 0. So if x is, greater than 0, let's say it's 1/2, it's 1/2. If x is 0, it's 0. If x is 5, absolute value is going to be 5. And negative x, for x is less than 0. Negative x, where do we get that from? Well, absolute value of negative 3 is 3, right? And 3 is just the negative 3. Because 2 negatives make a positive. So let's say we have negative, absolute value of negative 1/3. It's just going to be negative 1/3, which is 1/3. Because that's how far the number is from 0. So this has been a little intro into absolute value, what it means and how to think about it. Like this video and leave any questions you have in the comments down below. Please share and subscribe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.